Today, you're going to discover how to make a healthy carrot and orange cake that simply defies everything you thought you knew about flourless recipes. Start by grating the carrot, and set it aside.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder.
Now comes one of the secrets to the flavor, the orange zest. Take a fresh orange with a glossy peel, and grate only the outer layer, avoiding the white pith to prevent bitterness. Set it aside.
Under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars through the floor. Now put your loving.
Squeeze that same orange and set the juice aside.
Loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body.
And if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and help our channel grow. Thank you. Take 3 eggs at room temperature and place them in a large bowl. This small detail makes all the difference in the final lightness of the batter.
Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people will try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but
next, add a pinch of salt, just enough to balance the flavors and enhance the natural sweetness of the ingredients. Begin mixing gently, and watch as the texture becomes more uniform. Shortly after, the orange juice is incorporated, adding moisture and a balanced acidity that will completely transform the final result. Then come the orange zest, releasing an intense, vibrant aroma, that citrusy scent that gives you a delicious preview of the cake's flavor.
I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
And this is where the recipe truly begins to take shape, because instead of traditional flour, we add rolled oats, creating a nutritious yet light base.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars through the floor. Now put your loving on me. Yeah, loving on me. Maybe you.
Now we add 3 tablespoons of honey to provide natural sweetness, creating a subtle sheen in the batter and a depth of flavor that ordinary sugar simply cannot replicate on its own.
But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to die.
And to ensure tenderness, incorporate the melted butter. As it is gradually mixed in, it lends a richer, silkier texture to the batter.
Your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people,
I've added the baking powder.
better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away. Walk away.
And the baking soda. Although this may seem like a minor detail, it is precisely what helps the cake rise and become airy, even without any flour. And don't forget, The full list of ingredients can be found in the video description. Now comes one of the most crucial moments. The grated carrot enters the mix, bringing color, moisture, and a natural sweetness that intensifies as the cake bakes. And as you blend everything together, the batter begins to transform right before your eyes, becoming more substantial, taking on a vibrant color, and developing a texture that already promises a successful outcome. And once everything is completely blended, it's time to transfer the batter into a prepared pan. Spread it evenly to ensure the cake rises uniformly.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's
Then,
harder,
place it in a preheated oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. This is where the magic happens. As the cake bakes, its aroma begins to fill the kitchen, building an anticipation that is almost impossible to ignore.
baby, it's showing me.
Meanwhile, let's prepare a frosting that will take this recipe to a whole new level. Go ahead and chop the walnuts into small pieces, then set them aside.
Loving on me, loving on me. Maybe you
Now, place the cream cheese in a mixing bowl.
know,
Next, add the heavy cream, which will lend both lightness and richness to the mixture.
but I want you lying next to me.
Then, add just 2 spoonfuls of sugar, enough to balance the acidity and create a delicately sweet cream.
Body too.
As you mix everything together, you'll notice an incredibly creamy, smooth and glossy texture. A frosting that is both light and visually stunning.
Sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
Remove the cake from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes, allowing its structure to set and the flavors to settle.
Try to be someone better than you and I.
And now comes the moment you've been waiting for, spreading that creamy frosting over the still warm cake. Let it settle gently, seeping slightly into the surface to create an irresistible layer.
Walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional. And sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next
To finish this step, fold in the chopped walnuts. They add crunch and contrast, creating a truly complete sensory experience with every bite.
And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
And when you cut that first slice, everything just makes sense. The texture, the aroma, the contrast between the soft cake and the crunchy nuts, the balance between the sweet and the citrusy notes. It is in that very moment that you realize this isn't just another recipe, but a complete culinary experience, one that transforms simple ingredients into something truly extraordinary. And if you like this recipe, please leave a like, comment on what you thought of it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.